Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and very pretty pattern. This pattern can be used in your ladies sweater, cardigan, shawl, baby's sweater, baby's frock, baby's cardigan. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. Wrong side is very easy. So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 13 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 13 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 28 stitches on my needle, which is 13 plus 13, 2 times 13, 26, and 2 edge stitch 28. So row 1 right side, purl all stitches, because this is right side. So I am going to knit this edge stitch through the back loop and then purl all stitches on the right side. And your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 3. For row 3, purl all stitches. Edge stitch knit through the back loop and purl all stitches. Edge stitch on the right side, knit. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4, purl all stitches. row 5. Now on row 5 we're going to make these bubbles. So row 5, for row 5 your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, knit 1, knit 2 together 2 times, knit 2 together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and we're going to do bobble, make a bubble and knit 1 2 times. So we're going to make a bubble here in this stitch. To make a bubble, we're going to make 5 stitches here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 5 stitches and turn your work around, and then your this 5 stitch purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Purl 5, turn your work again, slip 5, these 5, slip 5 to your right hand needle, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this last stitch you're gonna knit, and now we're gonna pass these 4 stitch over this last knit stitch like so. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have a bubble here, and we have done a bubble here and knit 1. We're gonna do 2 times, total 2 times. We have done 1, again make a bubble, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn your work, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, and then slip 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit this last stitch and then pass over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4, and then knit 1. We have done this 2 times, bubble, knit 1 2 times, and then one more bubble here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work again and slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1 and pass over. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a bubble, knit 1 2 times, 1, 2, and one more time make a bubble and knit 4. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and make a bubble, knit 1 2 times, make a bubble, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 1 and pass over. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make a bubble, knit one time, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 knit 1, sorry, and pass over, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then knit 1 and one more time, bubble, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Turn your work, purl 5, 1, 2, 3 sorry, 4, 5 and then slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 knit 1 and pass over, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have done 2 repeats from here to here. Last one edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 7, on row 7 your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here, knit 1, knit 2 together 2 times, knit 2 together, knit 2 together 2 times, 1, 2, knit 2 together 2 times, 2 and then yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1, 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3 times and then one more time, yarn over, SSK 2 times, 1, 2, SSK 2 times and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, knit 2 together 2 times, 1, 2 and yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1, 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3, one more time, yarn over, SSK 2 times, 1, 2 and then knit 1. Repeat that again, knit 1, knit 2 together 2 times, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1, 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3, one more time, yarn over and then SSK 2 times, 1, 2, SSK 2 times and then knit 1. So we have done 2 repeats. Last one edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 9, knit all stitches. row 10, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 10 rows, row 1 to row 10 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.